Hi everyone, today I'm going to be assembling this Craftsman die-cast aluminum router table model number 35596. Let me start by opening it up. Oops. Okay, and what we have is the table itself, which is made of aluminum, and we're going to lay that on the ground. Then we have our router base and our router. This is a Craftsman router, and we have our legs. Two sets of legs. And the aluminum router base, router fence, instruction manual, the guides, and the reminder. There's nothing else in the box. Okay, so the first step to do for this guy is to get the screws out. Let's make sure, yeah, you can see everything. Okay. So the first step is these are the feather boards, like those are made in feathers. Okay. Not really the shape of feathers, they're showing feather boards. Alright, so we need these screws. And these are important. Whew, gosh. There's a lot of them. The spring washers. They don't really get into all these when you read the instructions. Okay, so anyway, so there's a lot of washers and a lot of screws. Don't do this on the back of your deck, like I am, or you can lose everything. Okay, so they recommend to take these screws and put them in here. So, okay, so, oh wow. A lot of people have kind of commented and complained about assembling this, and sometimes sort of see why. the first step is to attach the table. So there's different types of screws. Alright, so the instructions don't really tell you which screws usually to use, but alright, so panheld bolts, flathead bolt, long-head bolt. So it tells us to use 2 panhead bolts. There's a total of 15. Into the holes on the side of each leg, and place the small plain washers, 17 spring washers and nuts, as shown in Figure 4. Panhead bolts. Okay, insert 2 panhead bolts into the holes on top of each leg, and place the small plain washers as shown. So the diagram is not the greatest. But these round ones are the panhead bolts. So we have 2 and 4. Odd number. Okay. So if you all can see, the diagram is tiny. You can't even read it. Nobody can read it, it's so tiny. But, so, what we're going to do is we're going to figure this out. So I'm going to take a spring washer, take 1 spring washer and 1 regular washer. And I don't think it really matters so much, but I'm going to put my spring in between. So, I'm going to put, that'll be 1. And then grab another one. And grab this one. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the panhead bolt, putting the spring washer, and then the flathead washer. Take your Craftsman drill. While we're at it, what we need to do is remove these 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. So that we're going to be able to mount that. We're going to use the same screws to mount the router. Now this is made by the Stanley DeWalt Craftsman, and the rest is made by Sears. But okay. We won't be needing that base plate, but we will need these screws. So the next step is to do the other two sides. So grab some panhead bolts. The tiny washer, the spring washer. So the spring washer, then the regular washer. One. Okay. Where'd the other one screw go? These are tiny, tiny screws, so if you use them, just be careful. You could lose them. So grabbing the other one. Could have sworn I pulled two earlier. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna. This part's really easy. You might need to have a regular. If you can't see that, I'm sorry. It's right here. I'll tighten them down later. Okay, so that's the first thing. Put the legs on. We'll need these for a little bit. These are actually, some of these are used for mounting. This you can mount onto a regular table. That's the most important part, really. We'll get into this stuff in a second. Okay. So, once you've done that, you're going to mount the base. So you want to mount this so that you can lock your router, okay? Because you're going to do these adjustments. Ooh, there's an army ant. Okay, it is springtime. And the way they recommend doing this is you flip the table over like this. Okay, and then you take these screws, and there's three holes. Where is the other one? I think the other one's there. And then you line them up from the base, but make sure that this clip here is towards you. So this is sort of the tricky part. So our holes are 1, 2, 3. I'll just start with one hole. It's gonna be long enough. I don't know. This is kind of a pain. I don't even think these are long enough. This is what they say to do. I'm just following the directions. They tell you to use the same screws that's on the base cover. Honestly, I don't even think that's the right thing. let's see. These others look like these. They give you. They say they don't give you these. There's 3. 1, 2. They give you 3 of these flat ones. These flush ones. So 3 flathead bolts. 3 flathead bolts. This is a bit of a pain. I don't think they're right about using that, so I'm going to use these guys. They could be right, but what a pain. I'm not using any washers. I'm not using any washers. Okay, so they say remove the base plate from the router, hold the router upside down, determine the whole pattern. Okay. They say not to use any washers. So use the 3 flathead bolts. It actually comes with it. And you don't put any washers underneath. Okay, so we don't actually use these guys. We don't use these, but we're going to use the flathead bolts that came with the router table. Okay, so I'm going to just lightly tighten that up a little. And take the other 2 and easily